Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. In my last video, I partially tore down this Onan B43E that was in my John Deere 316 and found that it did throw a rod. Fortunately, I didn't find any other internal engine damage other than the thrown rod and some of the debris that was inside, other than a few nicks and scratches. So that sort of put me at a crossroads on whether I rebuild this Onan or I go ahead and repower the tractor. You can still source parts for the Onan engines, though they are a little bit expensive. The one thing about this engine is that I've never actually heard it run, so I'm really not sure of any other issues that it has. Obviously it ran at the time that it threw the rod, but how well is beyond me. So I think to do this engine right, I think it would require a complete rebuild top to bottom. In the end, what I decided to do was actually go ahead and repower the 316 and keep this engine for parts for the 318. Most of the parts between the B43E and B43G are the same, so there's a lot of parts of this engine that I can use to keep a 318 going if I had some sort of failure on that tractor. I'm repowering the 316 with a Briggs & Stratton Vanguard 18 horsepower engine. I do have it here and I've started the swap, so let's go check it out. Alright, so like I said, I've started the swap, but I have a few things left to finish up before I can actually start the engine. So ultimately, I decided to do the swap. I was looking for a new project, and I thought it would be kind of cool to go ahead and do a repower on one of these, along with the unknowns of the other Onan engine. It really wasn't a cost benefit by any means to do this. It's definitely more expensive to do the repower than it is to rebuild. But overall, I've heard a lot of really good things about these engines, and I'm really excited to see how it does. So rebuild or repower was the question, and in my case, I'm going to go ahead and repower. I'm not going to do a video that's sort of a step-by-step on how to go through this repower process for this kit. It's pretty straightforward overall, but there are a couple little quirks and issues that I've noticed along the way that I'll do a separate video on. So my next video, I'll be doing that, and we'll go ahead and do a first start on the tractor as well then. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.